Here is how to create a basic 3D cartoon body using only 4 tools in Blender. I will not be covering hand modeling here because just like head modeling, it is a complete subject unto itself which you can find in the links below. How to go from drawing to a base mesh in Blender explained concisely in just 6.5 minutes. And how to sculpt from a base mesh head to final geometry in Blender taught in just 8 minutes. The links are in the description below. Now back to how to create a cartoon body in Blender easily. The first thing you do is to instantiate a box in Blender by pressing Shift A and choose Cube. Then go to Edit Mode, press A to select all the vertices, press M and choose Collapse. You will be left with only one vertex, one point. Now go to the right view or left view depending on your reference drawing if you're using a reference drawing. By the way, to have a drawing inside Blender, all you have to do is to drag the picture into Blender and you are done. I'm currently using a drawing I have drawn a few days ago that I have abandoned because I was experimenting with 3 heads proportion for a character design and I realized it was just not quite the form I was going for. However, it is still preferable to have some kind of guide for a start than nothing at all, as one can always adjust it to a final form later on. With the one and only point selected, press G to move the point about. Apply the skin modifier, press Ctrl A and drag to scale it smaller. Press E to extrude a new point out and move it to a new location. Apply subdivision to the result and increase the subdivision to 3 to round out the surface. Press Ctrl A to scale the point's size. It is quite obvious here that we need another point to match the curvy shape. Even though I will eventually be abandoning this drawing's proportion completely, it is a good time to show how to add more points. Select the only 2 points we have here. Right-click, choose Subdivide and a new point will be created in between the 2 points. Now it is only a matter of moving the 3 points and pressing Ctrl A to scale the points individually to match the shape. Oh, be sure to uncheck Symmetry here and check Smooth Shading here. I will occasionally change the matte cap materials to have a better view of what's going on. To this day, I have yet to finalize on choosing a good matte cap material, so you will see me changing the matte cap a lot during the video while I'm trying to see the form of the model I'm making. Now here comes the magic. And not knowing this is the reason why most tutorials using the skin modifier in Blender end up looking like stickman models, causing people to wonder, is this the best the skin modifier can do? The key here is that you can not only Ctrl A to control the size of the form, but you can press X or Y or Z after to make it scale only on a specific direction. This is the key to the true power of the skin modifier. Now that you know this, you will very fortunately no longer just be generating stickmans using the skin modifier in Blender. Good news! This is basically all you need to know to create a basic cartoon body of your own design and proportion. Everything from now is a repeat until we move on to the next 3 tools in Blender to finish up the base mesh. Repeating the same step for the lake again, except this time I got real lazy and used only just 2 points. Okay, time to talk about the next tool, the amazing grab brush in Blender's Sculpt mode. Just use it to conform the outline of the ball mesh into the shape of a shoe. It helps sometimes to use the masking tool to isolate portions of the mesh from being affected when using the grab brush. The front view looks pretty strange at the moment with just one leg. So let's apply all the modifiers like so. Go to Edit Mode. Select all the points by pressing A and move the leg to the side. The reason we move it like this in Edit Mode instead of doing it in the Object Mode is just so that the origin of the leg will stay in the center. This will become useful once we apply the Mirror modifier. Now it's back to the grab brush. Grab, 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 grab. Okay, I can only do so much without any drawing reference, so here I am again finding myself having to go back to a drawing app to draw in some more guides. I have seen a lot of masters being able to do it without any references, and I just don't understand it. I need me some drawings. One of my favorite drawing apps to use for 3D reference drawing is the free program named Krita because of its symmetry tool. Other drawing apps might have this feature as well, but in Krita, it is right there in the main interface. I don't have to dig into any mysterious menu to access it. This is still not the final proportion I want for this character, but I just want to finish up the form first before I do any major changes. This will also serve as an excellent opportunity for me to show you the true power of the grab brush, where you can radically change the overall proportion of your character in one fell swoop. Once again, we execute the same steps, calling upon the power of the skin modifier to create the arm, again using only 2 points. The skin modifier is so convenient, I just cannot imagine not using it. You are able to dictate large organic forms with just a few points using the skin modifier. Every other method just seems so primitive now. Back to the grab brush to shape the outline of the ball into a head and proceed to grab brush my way throughout the body. And one final use of the skin modifier to create the neck. And then shape it using the grab brush again. Now it is time for the final magic. At this moment, we could see that everything is segmented, as in their separate parts. What you're about to see is something that many Blender users has taken for granted, but it still amazes me that this can be done so effortlessly in Blender. Press Shift R and drag the mouse to set the density of the new mesh. When you're ready, press Ctrl R to execute the remesh. You can undo and redo it as many times as you want to get at the density that you prefer. Now you can use the smooth brush to smooth out the connection areas. This is so cool. You can use the draw brush to get some definitions, but this is a cartoon, not a study in anatomy, so this might not even be necessary depending on your personal cartoon character design expectations. Now it is time to just grab brush all the way to your final desired proportion. This technique is so fast. Skin modify and grab brush to establish overall proportion, and then remesh and smooth brush to clean up the surface. This is a very artist-friendly workflow. I will be talking about fast, proper retopology so that this model can be animated with no problem in the coming videos, so be sure to stick around. This is Bracer Jack, and I will see you next week. Bye.